always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you.
It sure is, Mr. Goose.
Hedgehog, you just used the letter of the day.
Goody! What is it?
The letter G. G makes the sound G in goose. Listen. G, G, goose.
G, G, goose.
Now you try.
G, G, goose.
Very good.
You just used the letter of the day, too.
I did?
Yes, you said good. G, G, good.
Well done, Hedgehog. That was very observant.
Thank you. I want to listen for more words that begin with G.
Here are more things that begin with G.
Gift. G, G, gift. Goose. G, G, goose.
That's me. Hello.
Grapes. G, G, grapes. Guitar. G, G, guitar. Girl. G, G, girl. Goat. G, G, goat.
What letter do all these words start with?
G.
That's right. The letter G. Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter G. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I have an idea. Let's dig letters in the sand with a shovel.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Monkey, you go first.
All right. G.
Great!
I'll try next. G.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try it. G.
Nice job!
I'll trace the next one. G.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
G.
Exactly. Uppercase G. And what's this letter?
G.
That's right. Lowercase g. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose. G.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say G.
G.
All right, say it again.
G.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter G, letter G. What's that letter? Letter G. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Goat. Gift. Girl. Goose.
That's me. Hello.
That's the letter G.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. That's the letter G.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
G.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter G. Letter G. What's that letter?
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Where is Lulu? When it's time to go to the library, Lulu tries to hide. I wonder why. Let's read and find out. Let's begin. Where is Lulu? Written by Mahale Mashigo, illustrated by Clyde Beach, designed by Nkosingafield Mazibuko. Lulu, it's time to go, calls Ma. Oh, no. Where is Lulu? Is she under the sofa? Is she behind the curtain?
She's under the lamp.
Where is Lulu? Is she next to the stove? Is she in the cupboard?
She's on the shelf.
Lulu, it's time to go. Where are you? Calls Ma.
She's under the bed.
There you are. I don't want to go. we have to go, says Ma. But I really like this one. I really like this one too. And this one, and this one, and this one. See, when you return books, you can borrow more. Yay! Where is Lulu now?
Holding her books!
That's right. And that's the end of the story.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Monkeys.
Ooh, monkeys, like me!
That's right! Today, we'll all pretend to be monkeys, just like you.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many monkeys did I say there were?
5!
Good listening. Here we go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. Let's count how many monkeys there are. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Now how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Let's count how many are left. 1, 2.
2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
How many are left? 1.
1 little monkey jumping on a bed. It fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
That's the song. Well done.
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. You too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's do the monkey dance. Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 3. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 3 times. Clap 3 times. Nod 3 times. Point 3 times. March 3 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6. You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
It's time to move. Follow me. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it